Hello guys, this is Trading Hub. I am Mohammad Abdurrahman. I'm a forex trader, and today I am going to do a reaction video to a master trader. I think he's my virtual mentor. I have learned a lot from his videos. He is a master trader. He is a genius trader, and he loves his work, and I love his work. And I would like to uh, react and share his great video on his GME trade, which was about a $1.2 million trade. So this is a time period when there was a short squeeze happening in GME. A lot of hedge funds were shorting the stock, but many day traders, retail traders especially, bought the stock, and the stock just parachuted. It just shooted went to the moon from a mere $30 value. I don't know the real value, but it was really down, and it went up to around 200 to $300. So a lot of damage was happened to the hedge fund managers, hedge funds. They lost around 50% of their values, but retail traders took the real advantage. And here is our master trader, Meir Barak. He did this. He made this trade, a short trade on GME. So I have watched this video several times, many times, and I would like to introduce uh, Sir Meir Barak to you as well. So I hope you will enjoy the trade. So I would like to explain the video to you guys. Let's start it.
Oh boy, what a day. Hi traders, thank you for joining. I'm about to show you my best day ever. I've been trading for 21 years and I never had a day like that. That's all thanks to GME. Now take a look at what happened to GME. This stock started today at $260 and look at the way it's just moving up. That's the first few minutes of the trading session. I got prepared to this trade. I knew pre-market time that something big is going to happen to GME. Well, actually, I knew that for the past 3 days and it did not happen, so I'm still waiting. And today I came up with a plan which was a very, very extreme plan. I was planning on a $1 million trade and I knew that I'm risking $1 million. Now take a look at the daily of GME to understand why I'm doing that. This stock was at $19 just recently, moved up over $450 just yesterday, and the way it just started today with a big move up after a big gap down, that indicates just one thing: there still is short sellers who are being squeezed out of this stock, and this has to be stopped sometime, and I'm about to take advantage of that. So I'm planning a trade in GME, and
I would like to intervene a little bit. What he's saying is uh, that the stock has made its move. Okay, and now people are closing their positions, people are booking their profits, and it will eventually fall. And so it will eventually fall, and the progress it has made will melt. So let's watch the video again.
did announce in my trading room today that I have a target which is around $200, and I'm expecting the stock to come down. I did not expect it to come down today. I did say that it's going to take probably a few days, maybe 2 or 3 days. I didn't know how long, but this time I'm going to hang on and just take the hit. Now take a look at the point where I started selling. That's the point where I'm about to short 4,000 shares right now because it moved down from the highs. Well, I was wrong. I did have a stop loss. My stop loss was not a technical stop loss because I stopped trusting GME recently. I stopped trusting the technicals in GME recently because I just learned from the past few days that, well, it's a short squeeze. It doesn't have to work according to the no technical rules. Now look at this point, I'm down $200,000. And remember, my stop is $1 million, which is approximately half of what I earned last year. Now $400 down, $500,000 down, and that was it. Now GME started to come down. You're seeing it being halted several times. That's one of them. Because when the stock is coming down a lot, it's being halted, it's being stopped, now it resumes, and it starts trending lower. Now it's getting to be a little bit more clear. Now I'm understanding that that would probably be it, and at that point, right now it crashed. I missed that point really.
So you see, the price is inflating, and many of us beginner traders will see the rising price action, and if we see it falling, we will buy it again, and we will anticipate that the price will move up again. But he is an experienced trader, and he knows it, that price is falling because people are booking their profits, and it's not feasible for price to move again higher because it's not supported by buyers anymore. The sellers are taking the charge now. So let's see it again. He is preparing to short the stock. Let's see.
Because I wanted to add right there under 400. In fact, Scott at the trading room, he just shorted it at 400. Now it pops up again, and I'm getting ready to add another 2,000 shares because I like the trend right now. It looks to me like it's failing. Now it's hard to see because it's a fast forward here, but you need to take a look at the buyers and the sellers to understand why I thought there will be a pressure. Now I'm about to add another 2,000 shares.
So what he's saying is he's analyzing the order flow. He's saying that the sell orders, short orders are increasing in comparison to the buying orders. So, and he is also recognizing that pattern, the price action. So you see, he's a master trader, he's a genius trader, and let's see what happens.
And look at the way it just comes down now. Very nice technical formation here for short. And at that point, again, halted. So I will wait again until it resumes. Here it goes again, it resumes, added 2,000 shares. Now traders, if you like this video so far, how about giving us a thumb up? It's right here, that button. It helps our channel, helps more people.
I would like to recommend everybody to like his channel. His name is Meir Barak. He's a wonderful trader. You will learn a lot.
Like you who are interested in trading, so we will really appreciate that. Now let's take a look at what continues to happen here today in GME. Now I just want to remind you, my target was around $200 to $250, but that was not an intraday target. I knew I'm getting into this trade for several days. I was surprised. Now here it is being halted again. Now at that point, it's quite clear to understand that the stock is coming down. Look at what happens right when it opened. Just moved in, halted again, and again, when it's going to open, you're going to see a lot of sellers coming in, and look at how it goes. I'm up $400,000, $500,000. And again, it's being halted, as you can see here, several times as it came down. Now look at the way it just crashes down. And that's the time where really it's starting to go back to its senses. Another crash right over here, and at that point again halted. Look at the results here. I'm up $1.2 million, taking my profits right here, moved out of that trade. You see, the price is around $140. I was really planning for $200. In fact, I was saying to myself that if it only comes down to $250 intraday, I would take it. Now take a look at the results over here. I had several trades today. That's not my only trade, but definitely my best trade ever, up $1.278 million. Well, I never had a trade like that. And I hope you enjoy this trade. And if you do like to see more of my videos, you do have the subscribe button right over here, and you can hit the notification bell also if you want to be notified of my future uploads. And if you like to trade with us and join our team, there's a lot of links right here below that you can join, free trading room link and free courses and so on. And we would love if you join our team. And again, don't forget to give us a thumb up if you like that video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope it was helpful and educational for you. Thank you.
So guys, let me explain it again. He shorted the stock. Initially he had a drawdown. He was in a loss of $400,000. It was a massive drawdown. But the thing here is, it was again pretty much in his risk appetite. Okay, he was risking $1 million. $1 million was just, you say it was a big amount for him, but it was not as big as it is for us, us small traders. So he took a big risk, but it was not as big as big a risk for him. So that is the reason he just absorbed the pressure. So you see, it was a $1.2 million trade. So you see, it was a great trade. I enjoy this trade. Now one must see it when market is moving in this direction, and if you are lucky enough to realize that what is the direction, and if you are rightly managing your risk, so you can make a pretty big return on a minute, a very small risk on your capital. So it was the video. I wanted to share it with all of you, my viewers. So I would suggest all of you to subscribe to Mr. Meir Barak. He's a great trader, and please subscribe for me as well, like this video, and thank you. And I will definitely post material regarding trading, and I would like to share other great traders, other great trades of all great traders. Thank you very much.